You made it again to day 5. Day 5 is a review of, let's say, an entire chapter, but I wanted to go over a couple of problems with you so that way you didn't feel too stressed out about those. So I have those in mind, and I'm just going to go over those couple of problems, and that will be it. So, and then if you have any remaining questions, please remember to contact me in some way, shape, or form. So, we have Day 5 review. Go and hit that. Alright. Sarah has 1 3/4 feet of cloth. She used 1/3 of a foot to make a bow. Which expression could be used to correctly determine the amount of cloth in feet that remains? So, the first thing that I would do is I would set it up to try and find my answer. So I have 1 3/4 minus 1/3 equals blank. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go and make my common denominators, and I can't think of any other number that I could use besides 12 as my denominator. So it'll be 4 times 3, and then 3 times 3 for this first fraction, and then 3 times 4, and then 1 times 4 for the second fraction, which is going to give me 9/12 minus 4/12. Now, if I look at that really quickly, I'm like automatically thinking, alright, I can easily subtract these two numbers, because if I have 9/12, I can take 4/12 away from it. So I'm going to come up with my answer, but I'm going to give you guys a little bit of time to try and solve it for yourself. Okay, remember that if you need more time, you need to pause, because I don't even think my smartest kid could figure it out in 3 seconds. But we have 1 5/12 as our answer, or at least write it down that fast. They're probably trying to write it down right now and trying to prove me wrong, which is fine. Alright, so if I have that, this is my ultimate answer. This is what is going to help me figure out which answer is correct, or which of these problems, expressions, could be used to determine the same exact amount. So my first one says 1 minus 3/12 minus 1/12. Well, if I look at the way that I found my answer, I have nothing with 3/12, I have nothing with 1/12, so that cannot be my answer choice. So I'm going to say that that's not correct. I'm going to go to my next one. It says 1 minus 9/12 minus 4/12. Well, let's see. I have my 9/12 minus 4/12 already written on there, so that could be a possible answer. The only thing that I see as it being wrong would be 1 minus that as well, because we added 1 in that. So if we do have one that says kind of the same thing but adds that 1, then that would be my answer. Let's see, 1 plus 3/12 minus 1/12. Again, this one does not have, mine does not say anything about 3/12 and 1/12 in it, so I'm going to say that that is still incorrect. But, oh my goodness, you probably skipped to this answer already and don't listen to me anymore. But we have 1 plus 9/12 minus 4/12. So this is our answer because it gives us 1 5/12 as well. If you want to try and work out the other ones to see what they get, you are more than welcome to, but I don't think you're not going to get the answer, and you're not going to be very happy with it. So we're moving on to the next one. Here we have, where's that? Oh, okay. Well, I might be missing a piece. I don't know. All right. Our next question is going to be number 15. Flo ate 3/4 of a sandwich and Artie ate 2/3 of a sandwich. If Arnie ate more, what must be true? So I started off with equal amount of pieces, and my blue is going to represent how much they ate, and the orange is representing how much is left over, just to kind of give you a visual aid. So, oh, look, there it is. So our first answer is that Flo's sandwich is bigger. So I'm going to have you go ahead and copy this down, or just kind of think about this and see if this would be your answer. All right, we're going to go on to B. B says Arnie's sandwich is bigger. And again, this is kind of your visual aid. It's just to help you out. C, the sandwiches are the same size. So these are the exact same size sandwich. And D, it does not matter which sandwich is bigger. And I don't know why Arnie was missing a piece, but he was. All right, so hopefully those kind of help you out when deciding which one you would choose. And just remember that Arnie has to eat more, so he has to have more blue than Flo does. And as of right now, he does not have that. So I guess D is not your answer. I'm sorry, I gave you one answer. Oh well, good luck with the rest of them. That is it for today. If you have any other questions, please be sure to bring them up to your teacher. You can contact us by emailing us or going on Class Dojo, having mom and dad message us. You could always call at any number that's been provided for you. What's that last one? Oh, you could also go in Google Classroom and let us know any information. So that is it. I hope you guys have had a wonderful week, and I will see you on Monday.